Check out this 2012 Buick Verano. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: remote trunk release, stability control, brake assist, ABS, leather steering wheel, rear defrost, and driver vanity mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.